Hello dear friends, and welcome to this video today in our YouTube channel. In this video today we shall be looking at how to carry out experiments in the laboratory to determine the presence of the carbonate and the hydrogen carbonate ions. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video from start to finish, because at the end of this video you shall be able to determine the presence of these two ions. Okay, so guys, this is one of the experiments in the laboratory that the examination board will never forget to ask you to carry it out. Okay, so once you're entering the laboratory, expect to see these two ions. So guys, how do you test them now? We are going to find out in about a minute time. Okay, so guys, just a quick reminder, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Give it a thumbs up, because that does motivate me to produce more content. It actually gives me an information that you actually found the contents useful. Thank you very much, guys. And guys, as soon as this video ends, I'm thinking of uploading a video that can help you to use the inference booklet to get your observations intact. So guys, subscribe to our channel and put in the comment section if you want that video. If you want a video, guys, put in the comment section if you want the video. Also like as well. Put in the comment section and like this video, because that is going to tell me that you actually want the next video, and I'm going to do it for you guys. Thank you very much, guys. Let's dive straight into our video today. Okay guys, as usual, right, let's set up our table to see how far we can go. Let's set up our table. Voila, great. So I have the ions, I have the anions here because they are negatively charged ions. We have the anions here. We have our expectations. We have the effect on heating, guys. In this case, we are going to be heating. Okay. Then we have our inferences. We have the equation for the reaction. Good. So, guys, before we proceed, there's something I want to draw your attention, guys. I want to draw your attention on something. Good. So now, guys, we shall be using the magnesium sulfate in this case to get the presence of these two ions. Our reagent in this case is magnesium sulfate, that's MgSO4. Then guys, don't ever forget that you have to pay attention to the reagents. Okay, pay attention to the reagent you're being asked to use, because different reagents are going to give similar results. What matters is the reagent you're using and your observations. Good. So guys, having that in mind, now let's dive straight into it. So guys, if to a solution that contains the carbonate ions, when you add magnesium sulfate, what you expect to see is a white precipitate. Okay, what you expect to see if it was the carbonate ion is a white precipitate. So once you've seen this guy, you know that it's the white precipitate. But guys, on your inference booklet, you are going to have not just this carbonate ion, but you are going to have the carbonate ions, the OH ions, that's the hydrogen ions, and as well as the sulfite ions, that's the sulfite with Z. Okay, you're going to have CO3 2 minus, OH minus, that is the hydroxide ions, as well as the sulfite ions, that's S2 minus as a power. Good. So guys, we want to see a white precipitate. On that inference booklet, guys, you're going to copy out everything on your question paper. Okay, you copy it out. Then now they might ask you further tests to determine the presence of either one of them, because two of them cannot be there. Okay, unless you're talking about the complex, and we should have a transition metal. Good. So now guys, the effect on warming, if we heat it, guys, we will not see any change. Okay, no change will be observed. The white precipitate remains white precipitate. Okay, then now guys, the inference, what do we say now? That the carbonate ions are present. Like I said, guys, on your inference booklet, you are not going to have just the carbonate ion, but rather you're going to have the carbonate ions, the sulfite ions, as well as the hydroxide ions. So you are going to write all of them down. Okay, copy all of them down, because those are possible anions that could be present. But in this case, guys, we are looking at the test for just the carbonate and the hydrogen carbonate ions. Good. Then now guys, the equation for the reaction. So in this our reagent, guys, our reagent of interest, the one that is actually going to give us white precipitate, is this magnesium 2 plus, the magnesium ion that is going to react with the carbonate ion. So guys, the equation for the reaction, we are going to have our magnesium 2 plus reacting with the carbonate ion to give us magnesium carbonate. and this is a white precipitate. Okay, this PPT stands for precipitate, so it's a white precipitate. Alright, so guys, don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up. That is going to help me a lot. That is going to help others locate our contents. And guys, like I said, if you want the video on how to use the inference booklet to determine to bring forth, to write your observations, just put in the comment section below, and I'm going to do that as soon as possible. The more likes and the more comments as I see is going to determine if I'll produce a video or not. Okay, so just like this video and put in the comment section if you want that other video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to visit our channel, Humble Mark Academy, as we have here, and use our interesting materials and videos, guys, to prepare for your exams. And feel free to ask me any question where you have difficulties, and share the video with your friends. Invite them to subscribe to our channel, Humble Mark Academy. So guys, let's continue. Okay, now guys, for the hydrogen carbonate ions, for these other ions now, what we expect to see after the magnesium carbonate, we don't expect to see anything, guys, so there will be no change. The colorless solution still remains a colorless solution. Alright, now guys, the effect on heating, let's keep this guy for now. Okay, let's keep this guy for now, but we are heating. Okay, we are going to heat it. We are going to heat a solution that contains all of this guy. So guys, now after adding our magnesium sulfate, the magnesium 2 plus is going to act very fast with the hydrogen carbonate ion. So our equation is now going to be the magnesium 2 plus react with the hydrogen carbonate ions, guys, to give us we are going to give us magnesium hydrogen carbonate. That's Mg HCO3, all that times 2. So this is what we're going to have. Then now guys, as we heat, okay, as we heat this guy, as we heat this magnesium hydrogen carbonate, guys, it is going to decompose to give us our magnesium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So guys, do you recognize this magnesium carbonate? Do you recognize it? Of course you do, right? Because this magnesium carbonate is the same thing that we have here. Okay, it's the same one. So this is what we have. This magnesium carbonate is what we have here. And what color was it, guys? A white precipitate, guys. So what should we observe? What do we expect to see after heating? What's the effect on heating, guys? Good. It's going to give us a white precipitate, right, after we must have heated. The white precipitate is due to the decomposition of the magnesium hydrogen carbonate to give us our magnesium carbonate. So after heating, what we expect to see is a white precipitate. Good. Then now guys, our inference, what are we going to say? Good. That the hydrogen carbonate ions are present. Good. So guys, as easy as this, right, as easy as this, you could still go further if you really want to know, or you might want to tell them so well that it is this ion that is present. You might want to go with a litmus paper. Okay, you might want to go with a blue and a red litmus paper. Keep in mind, guys, that each time you're being asked to heat, the question might not tell you to use the litmus paper, but always with it. Okay, always make sure you moist it in water before you go with it. Always go with it, because by that now, since carbon dioxide, as you all know, is an acidic gas, right, it is going to turn the blue litmus paper to red. Okay, so when reporting, also attach it. Though the question might not ask you to go with it, but as you know the chemistry, it is so important to go with it each time you're in gases. Good. So guys, that is all about our video today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to always get updates, always and always, each time we have new videos. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, guys, and share the video out with your friends, so that by that way now you are going to help them to actually integrate those who might not pass, those who are not meant to pass, or not those who are not meant to pass, guys. Those who will not pass, at least they are going to pass after watching this video, because paper 3 of chemistry, guys, is so important. Okay, it's so important. So good luck to all of you as you prepare. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, put in the comment section if you want the other video, and I'm going to put it as soon as possible. Good luck to all of you guys as you take your exams. Good luck to all those taking WAEC, JAM, those taking the Common GC, both advanced and ordinary level, those who are in the US, those who are in Germany taking their calculus exam, those taking chemistry exam, and so on and so forth. So guys, visit our channel for more updates. Thank you very much, and have a great and a blessed day.